to my new channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make a solar oven. So here are the materials you need: a shoebox, aluminum foil, plastic wrap, scissors, a glue stick or glue liquid. Because you can pick glue stick or glue liquid. I'll use both in this video. But you just choose. And last material is black construction paper. And I just like to tell you about the warning of the scissors. Choose not the big ones, choose the small ones. Choose those that are right for your age. These ones are right for my age. So let's go and make the solar oven. And I'd like you to meet my friend Alexa. She's my kitty, and so let's start. So first, you do need to get your shoebox, get your scissors, and then start making a hole. So I'll just use this method. I'll just do this, and boom. Alright, I did already cut this, but please ask your parents for help, because it could be very dangerous. So, okay, and just make sure this opens goodly. I think approximately like that is fine. And it should be to almost right here. But don't cut out like to this, cause this might fall out, and you'll just need to use another box. And we do need to get our aluminum foil. Ooh, it's dangerous right here. Oopsie. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Okay. I just cut this out. And I just need to put this. Okay, and it's almost supposed to look like that. And it should kind of cover these sides. But if yours goes like half like this and this, just make sure it still goes here. Okay, so next step, open up your box and put some foil over there too. So I do need a large amount. Okay, and okay, and you just use some glue. I use this one first, and I'll use the liquid glue later. Okay, so here's the way how I do it, and here's the way how I do it with liquid glue. It's kind of tough to open it. Wait, what happened? And here's how I do it with the liquid glue. So I just hold on to this, and I just use as much liquid glue as I can. Cause it's kind of tough to hold it, and it does kind of make your fingers cranky. And I just got this new foil, so I just need to open it up. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just opened this up, and mine does have to cut up because it does have the cutting side here. So just make sure to use as much plastic wrap as you can, cause actually it could really be like, cause if it goes half, then you do need to get more. And here's time for the glue again. So I just do this with the glue stick. Okay, I'll just put it back. And here's how I do it with the liquid. Okay. And we just need to put this plastic on. And here's how it went. And it should be like this. Just a reminder. So if you have little, then you do need to do it again. So it's just supposed to look like that, and boom. Okay, next step is to putting the foil right there. And you do need foil for that side and that side. So it just keeps your oven more hot. So yeah. Okay, I just got these cutted, so I'll just place this one first into here, and I just need to place that one right here, and that's the sides. And next, you do need to cut the construction paper. So if you're going to make one food at a time, then I think you should cut a square just like this. But I'll be cooking more foods at the time, so I'll start cutting. Okay. Next. Okay, so I just got it ready, and it's time for the glue again. So I'll use my glue stick again. Okay. And I'll just use my liquid glue. So, and then you just take your piece and then put it on. And then I guess you are all done. If yours did not turn out like this, or has this one, and or just have the construction paper and aluminum foil, then please try again, cause it's my first video and it's my second time making a solar oven. So here's the result. And here's what you can cook inside this solar oven. So you can cook pizza, you can cook s'mores, you can cook marshmallows. Well, they're not going to be yellow, but they're going to be warm. And there's a lot of stuff you can make, but it's just going to warm it. Not like popcorn. Well, you can try popcorn, but I'm not sure if it's going to pop. But I hope your invention makes some yummy food, and goodbye. See you later.